So what's up guys, it's Prosper here again, and here's another extra video. And in this video I'll show you guys how you can create a carrier shipping website. You hear that right? A carrier shipping website. And you know the feature of a carrier shipping website, you can track your package, you can create package. That's if a person is buying some goods, just like the Amazon, the FedEx, the DHL, even your normal e-commerce stores. So once a package is purchased, the next thing you want to do is you want to be able to track the package. So I'm going to teach you guys how you can create the site, and you're going to be able to track your package and create package for your business. So quickly, as you can see, it also have the Google language selector. So if you have customers in any different part of the world, they can business with you. So you can switch your language right here. So as you can see, all the language available here are countries that you can partner or business with. So as you can see, the page is well developed and designed. You can also wish to use other front end using WordPress or the rest. As you can see, this is awesome and sleek. This looks so sleek. This is nice. So let's quickly track a package and see how it looks like. And once a person is tracking a package or creating a package, the sender gets notified. Okay, so let's see. Okay, currently say active in New York. It's going, that is the statement. I'm going to show you how you can actually edit all of this real quick. I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. So head by the FBI. So this is a lot that we can call Lambda. So all of these things, you can change the text, the statement of each. You can change the statement so that it will work with what you are currently encountering with the package to be delivered to the receiver. Okay, so to change all of these things, so let's quickly change all of these. So to do that, you go to phpMadmin. Under phpMadmin, you check on track update. You click on track updates. Once you click on it, so these are all of the statements. As you can see, head by the FBI. You can change it either like this way. Are you getting it? Head by FBI. So you can change the status also. Are you getting it? So anyone you want to use to work with. And you can also, in another case, you can choose which and which you want to make visible. Right? You can choose which and which you want to make visible. You can also change the status. You can change the status also. As you can see, everything that we are trying to do here are currently changed. You can change the current location. Right? You can change the current location. You can, I guess you can also change the date. So this is a very powerful project, and it will work with how you want it to be. So if you want any of these status to appear or any of this feature, you can, like this one. If I change this delivery code to another thing, to another delivery code, this one will not be visible for this particular tracking code. Do you understand? So the one that you put the tracking code for will be the one that this update will show for. Do you understand? So if you don't want this third one, line 3, to show, you can just change the tracking number. So when you are tracking it, since the tracking number is not correct with it, it will not show it up. Okay, so that's it. So once you edit any of this, it will reflect here. So let's change this one. This is ready for clearance. We can say okay, ready for clearance in Apapa Wharf. So let's just change that one so that you will confirm that everything ready for clearance in our Papa Wolf. So let's go back to, let's refresh this. Let's see if it's gonna work, of which is gonna work. So as you can see, it's now ready for clearance in our Papa Wolf. So it worked. So you can change any of these status as you want it to appear, pertaining to how you position the package. So that's how pretty much we can actually do all of this. So this is a full customized project and it is awesome. Ensure you get this project as it is available now. So for we to get started, we need to log into our cPanel. So right now I'm using Web Manager. Web Manager is a Nigerian hosting company where you can host your website, right? So, and I also recommend using Namecheap. Namecheap has been my long use web server hosting company, and their service are extremely fantastic. So I'll be dropping my affiliate link. So if you want to purchase any service from Namecheap, you can use through my link. The purpose of using my link is that I'll get commissioned, and you will have some discount. So if you're interested in having some discount in your checkout, so that is the reason why you should what, click on my link to get started using Namecheap. But for the purpose of using Web Manager, you can also use my affiliate link that will be in the video description to purchase any of your web hosting, anything about your web hosting, right? So these two company, they are reliable, their their customer service are also swift, and they have the best service for now. So once you are in your file manager, that is, you've logged into your control panel, which is your cPanel, you will just go, okay, for you to get to your cPanel, if you are using the web manager, okay, let's assume we're in the web manager right now. So I'm going to show you guys how you can get into your admin area. So no, okay, so let me log in as a user, and I'm going to show you how you can add off all your. So currently this is my user dashboard. So from here you're going to click on your service right here, okay? That is if you've already purchased and you already have an account with Web Manager. Okay, so everything is okay. So I will just come right here and click on this. You can see it hovered, so you just click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to show you how you can log into your cPanel. So right here in this on the right side, that is right bar, you just click on login to cPanel. If you want to know how you can get yours on Namecheap, you can watch my previous video, or you write to me. Once you click on my link, it will just take you there. But if you are having any need for help, you can also watch my previous videos. I showed how to use Namecheap very well, and you get started also. So the first thing I want to do is I'll move on to my file manager. So this my file manager is where we're going to do what we're going to start the development of our web project. And you know what we're about to develop right here is a shipping, that is a career shipping website where you can track a package, you can make package, you can track, make package, and all of that for your client, for your customer, in case they are buying their shipping to overseas or within states, they can track their package just like the way you buy things online. So right here, So once you I'm using this subdomain. If you're starting for the first time, you're going to be under your public underscore HTML. This is where you are going to upload your files, right? Anytime I'm going to do, this is where you are going to do yours. But for me, I'm using a subdomain for the purpose of this tutorial. So to get started, you click on what? Upload right here. You click on upload. You click on select file. And you're going to search where you have the file downloaded in your computer. Okay, so for me, I already have the file in my file manager, so I don't need to go through this process. But when it starts loading up, ensure it shows the progress bar. Ensure it becomes green. Once it's green, then it has fully uploaded. So then you come right here and you reload. Once you reload, you're going to find the file uploaded into your cpan. Okay, so once you're right here, the next thing you're going to do is what? You're going to right click to extract the zip file. So you click on extract files. So our file has been unzipped. Then you tap it again. That is, you tap that is this main file. Let me show you. That is this one. This is the one that we are going to work on. So you can go ahead and delete this one. For me, I will delete it, but I will have it in my recycle bin in case I want to use it again. I don't have to go and be uploading it from afresh. I just get it from my recycle bin, okay, which is this your view trash right here. So the next thing I'm going to do is I can go ahead and delete this other folder. They are kind of useless, if I may say. So you can also delete them temporarily in case you want to refer to them. So I open by double tapping, then I'm going to click on what? Select all. Then I'm going to move them out of that folder. I don't want them in that folder, so that will not be my domain / a folder. Okay, so that's the reason I want it on my domain exact. So once that has been extracted, the next thing we want to do is right here is we want to configure our database so that we can keep record of what is going on, because every website needs a database. So before we do that, or let's just click on it. So you come right here to this folder, that is this file, which is db.php. You right click on it, you click on edit, you click on edit. So this is where we're going to put in our database credential. So quickly, let's create a database. So head back to your cpanel right here, that is this. You come to your search right here and you click on just type data. So you're going to prompt all of what controls data. So you click on this MySQL database wizard. And you just name it anything. For me, I will just say tutorial, okay, so just something like this. Now this is what I do, if I may say. I'll copy the same name, and I'm going to use it for both my database and the database user. So in case I copy anyone, I can use anyone for any. So I'm going to show you what I mean by that. Then on my username also, I'll use the same name, so that if I copy anyone, it can be usable for both. So you can just forge any password. So I'm just entering the password that I'm used to. In this kind of, you should be used to some kind of password so that you can easily access things you so while loading. So this is what I mean. Now you see my user is the same name as the database name itself. So if I copy anyone, it can be reusable for both. Do you understand? So I'll double tap on it, I'll highlight and copy, then I'll select on all privileges. I want my database to have all privileges because I will be dealing with a lot of privilege. You understand? So you click on all privileges and click on next step. So in this case, the database has been created. So since our database has been created, we need to connect the database with our web project. So right here, you head back to your db.php and you impute the credential of your database. So I'll double tap on it to highlight all, then I paste, same thing right here. Then I will insert my password within the single quotation mark. Do you understand? As you are seeing it on my screen, so that is how it should look like. So now you can just type in the database password that you used. You understand? So you type it now. Okay, so once that has been done, you click on save changes right here and our database has been connected. So the next we're going to do is we want to get our SQL file, and you know what SQL means, our structured query language. So we'll come right here and we'll click on our search. You just type your PHP and it's going to link you to your phpMadmin. So in your phpMadmin, this is where you can create your SQL file, right? So we already have a created SQL file. All we're going to do right here is going to upload it, and you can also check the file to see how it's been coded, and you can code such as that too. So the database we created is what, the one with tutorial, right? So we'll click on it and you come right here and click on import. So you browse file and hopefully I know where it is, but it should be in my recent files. Okay, let me work with this. It should be this. So let me show you how you can get your SQL file. So you click on import. So our SQL file has been imported. So how you can get your SQL file, so you come right here into the file, right? You click on the database right here, the database folder. So this is your SQL file. So you just double tap on it with the auto download to your download file in your computer. Okay, so you can access it by clicking on this view folder. So I won't be doing that, you should do that yourself. And so the next thing we're going to do is heading back to phpMadmin, you click on settings. Let's start with settings. Now in this settings, you come right here and click on edit. So we're going to change all of this information right here. So here you're going to name it the name of your project, the name of your domain, that is your company name, what you want your website to be. So that's the name you're going to put right there. So I'll just call this so yeah, you're going to change this URL right there. So you come here and use, okay, let me check it from here. So it should be this. So I'll copy this, which is your URL, and you paste it right here. Do I need this .www? You can use it or not, it's optional. So you come, so you just change anything I'm changing. So this your email name, that is if you are sending email, the email should come from what address. That is how do you want your email to be addressed. So you're going to change that name so that the email will be addressed in your company name. So this will be your info. So you're going to create an email for that also. You're going to create an email for that also. So once that has been created, the next thing you're going to click right here is go. So our settings, as we've made our settings, so you come right here also and click on admin. So this is your admin profile. So your username is admin and your password is what you are seeing on the screen. So we can easily access it. So now let's check our site if our site is ready to go. Okay, wow, so our site is up and live. This is awesome. You can see how beautifully designed it is. This is awesome. And the features of this project is that when you tracking, it shows map, the live map of where your product is located. It's going to show you and you'll be like, wow. And it's going to show you all where the package has crossed through, getting to, like if you are shipping from abroad, all the pickup stations, it's going to show you where your projects are. So next thing we want to do right here is we want to log into admin so that we can start setting up our site. So come right here and we just type admin, that which you saw in our admin profile. So we're going to enter all of that so that we can get logged in. Okay, so this is our admin dashboard. So you can add tracking right here. You can change your admin profile right here. You can set up your sites from here. So under our shipping settings, so let's see what's on our shipping settings. So our delivery preface is CC. Okay, the number of digits for your tracking, that is your tracking code. How many number of digits do you want it to be? Do you want it to be 6 or any amount? You can just place the increment here or do the decrement there. So the next thing, allow print invoice. Yes, you should be able to print invoice. Show map. Yes. Invoice terms. Okay, so I guess the default setting is okay. The next one we want to do right here, we want to create our email. So this email, you can just go ahead and create it. So in this, let me change if I should. Okay, info. So to create your email, you come right here to your cPanel and you come right to your cPanel. You just go ahead and say email. So email account, you click on email account. Come right here and click on create. So once you click on create, it will be on your domain. Then you can just change this to maybe support. Then you create your password, and your password will be, let me just say, my regular tutorial password. Then you click on create. Okay, So that's how you create mail. Then you copy it right here, and you go to where you want to use it and paste it. And you go right to where you have your site to be set up. Let me see where I'm logged in. I have so much tab. And you come right here and you paste it. Onugo. So if you are using, I've already started using info from my settings. So if you are using support, you are using customer care, you are using no reply, anything you are using, that is what you do right from your settings. So I've already added on this one, so I don't need. So you change yours anyways, and click on save. Okay, so our site is fully set up. So let's come right here and let's check our dashboard. So let's check this already product, this package. So if we should head back to our site, okay, let's track this package and see how it looks. Okay, it shows January 11, 2024, active in New York. So currently our package is in New York. Initially it was during April 13, 2023. It was inactive in New York. Okay, April 28th, 2003, delivered in Lagos. April 04, pick up in mall. December 31st, on hold in so all of the process where the package has been passing through, to grant its movement, it will be tracking it, and you can set all of those. Real quick. And so this is the package info, and we have the live map right here. So let's wait for the map to load up. So as you can see, so we say currently the package is in what? New York, abi? We said New York. So currently it's in New York, and it's in Greenwich Village. Let's start tracking. Okay, let's create. Hmm? Hmm. So let's say a dispatch location. So let's assume maybe we're using FedEx. Or DHL, anyone. Or your own company name. So carrier reference number. So what payment mode? Let's say wire transfer. So you should have your package image. You just make your package image. So let's say the receiver. So who is the receiver? So let's say the receiver is Margaret. So let's see. So let's say a brown paper bag of money worth $100,000. That's money, right? So if you need access to these resources, you can chat me to my WhatsApp line, and it's on my description, the description of my profile. So if you check about my channel, you're gonna see my number there. So you chat me on my WhatsApp, and you're gonna have this all access to this resource, and you can start using it, and you can reuse it as many times as you want. So shipping mode, let's say air freight. So quantity, let's say 2. So the package is expected to be delivered, let's say around 12 p.m. So let's add the package. So new tracking added successfully. Okay. So let's copy this. So these are the details. So the package image, this is where it's going to be. So this is the image you use for the package. So this is where it's going to be. So as it was written, Compton, California. So you can click on print receipt. So it has been downloaded as a PDF, and it's going to open it up. It's going to show you a water and land carrier as we created from Jones Cast to Margaret Thatcher. You can see this is so awesome. This is so awesome. So if you need this project, just contact me on my WhatsApp, and it's on my channel profile. So the next thing we have right here, so let's check the pages, and let me show you how you can edit every information on this project. So as you can see, the about us. So let's see the service. So they have sea freight. Okay, it's remaining in what I wrote earlier. So we have air freight, carrier service, track your cargo, all of this. So let's see the contact. This is so awesome. You can see how sleek it is. So now as you can see this logo, how you can change this logo, because this is our most concern, how you can change this logo. So for you to be able to change this logo, the next thing you're going to do right here, you're going to right click on the logo, and you click on open image in a new tab. Then once you do that, you're going to see the directory of the image. Now the image is located in the image folder, and it is named logo-2.png. So you're going to tap on it and just copy the name of the logo. Then any logo you have from your file manager, you just create any logo you have. Let me assume it is this one. So it can just be any image. It can be any image, okay? It can be any image. Once you've created the image, let me assume, it's this one, Abi. So if it's this one, just tap on it, tap twice on the name, you get, then you change the name. Once you change the name, you click on save. Okay, so once it's saved, you go back to your cPanel right here, you click. So we're going to look for the directory. You know, the directory, it was mentioned that the domain /images/logo2. So in our cPanel, we come to images, and is this logo-2.png. so you can just delete this one and upload that one. You understand? You just upload that one. Let me just upload something. So let's assume it's this one, Abi, and we've uploaded it. So you just come right here, you delete the existing one, but before you delete it, click on the name. It's either two ways: either you've renamed it this exact name, or you come right here, you click on Ctrl A to highlight, Ctrl C to copy. So once you've done that, then you can delete it. Then once you upload the new one, then you're going to rename it with that previous name so that the project's source code will recognize it. Okay, so that is how you're going to change the logo for all cases. So you change both the favicon, you change the logo, the small logo, even the QR code. You locate where you can just get your own QR code and insert it there. So that's how you can change the logo. So let me show you how you can edit the front end of this project. Now, as you can see on our site description right here, you can see the site description shows Crest Career /homepage. You want it to be on your own domain. Right? So this is how you're going to do it. So we have this page. This page is our index.html, right? So we're going to edit our index.html. So you come to where you have your source file, and you just come right here to index.html, and right click on it, and you click on edit, and click on what? Edit right there. So once that has been done, so as you can see right here, this is what shows on the title of our page title. We call it page title, right? So this is the title of our page. So come right here, and we just remove this and change it to the name of our company. So the name of our company in this tutorial is what? Air Water and Land Carrier Service, right? So we want to change for all cases. Let me copy this. I want to show you something. We want to change for all cases. So let me use Ctrl Z. Let me go back to the initial name. So this crest, so I will click on Ctrl F to find. So this crest, I want to look for it on this side. So let me paste this one back again. So I want to look for all where I have this crest, and I want to change it to my air, water and land. Okay, so I'll just click on this next icon here, next. So here I have it. So I'm going to change it. In this case, I will change it to my, because this one is your info, your site mail, so you can just change it to your site domain. So our site domain is, so you can just go to make it more easier. You just come right here and you copy your site domain link, your site link. You copy your site link and you just paste it here so that you don't make error. It's better you use copy and paste method. so that you don't make what error. We call it typo error, so you'll not be complaining, this thing is not working, I've set it. Could just be a small error. So click on next. So this is a phone number. You can change your company phone number also. You change it right here. So you can copy all of this and find it everywhere it is located. You change it, okay, just like the way you see me doing this one. So your info email also, you change it too. This is just a tutorial. I don't need to go through those plenty process. So you change it in all cases. Then your footer also, you change it. Yes, you change your footer. You change the year also. Then you click on save changes. I guess that should be the end of the page. Then you come to the next one. How many pages do we have on our site? We have the about us page, and it's about.html. We have the service page, which is service.html. We have the contact page. So all of these pages, we are going to edit all of them. So I'm going to show you how you can do that real quick. So as you can see right here in our source file, we have the about.html, the contact.html, the services.html. so we are going to edit each one. So you right click, you click on edit, and you click on edit right there. So you do the same thing we did previously on our home page. Then to make it more quicker, you just copy the particular word you want to change. You copy the particular word you want to change and click on Ctrl F to find. So Ctrl F is to find. So what are you looking for? Then it will be what you copied. So I'm going to paste what I copied. So I'm looking for the word crest in all of this page. So it said that we have 10 suggestions. It appeared 10 places, and this is one of it. So you click on next right here. So all of the places you have that particular text or that particular word, is going to pinpoint it, and you just quickly change them instead of going through all the quantum lines of code. Sometimes your eye might not even see some, so it's better use the find method. Okay, so same thing you're going to do for the contact us page. You edit it also. Also for our service page, you edit it also. So once you've done all of that, then your site is ready to be used. So let's quickly review our site. So if your changes did not appear, you can use Ctrl F5, which is what we call hard refresh. because you know these browsers, they have what we call cache. They store some data for you, so your browser don't need to load too much to bring out some words or some things you've changed. So as I had refresh, you can see all the changes I did just appeared. So as you can see, welcome to land, water, air and land career. So now our site is ready. So as you can see how slick this project is. So if you need access to these resources, as said earlier on, ensure you contact me on my WhatsApp number, which is on the top of my profile, that is my channel profile. And if you can also write a comment in the comment section below, and I'm going to reply to every of your question. So this is the tracking page, and where you can put your tracking number. So this is a very nice project. So if you love what we're doing, ensure you're subscribed to our channel. So thank you guys very much. I'll see you in our next video.